What's up, motherfuckers? You know what motherfuckers doing? That's the Grillz, baby. How you guys doing, man? Been a long time, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm back here on the Mr.White show. You know what I'm saying? St. Patrick's Day today. I want to go to the Irish bars. Any type of bar in New York City and go bar hop with my Irish motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they get so drunk, they drop their wallet, I'm gonna pick it up. Strike, give them some Irish bombs, give them some shots on this nigga right here. On this nigga damn Patrick. Where's the nigga what name was? Well, anyway, let's see if Patrick's there. Is it time to go some green? I ain't rocking no green, nigga green on pocket, yo. So, yo, it's Grillz, man. Yo, hope you get laid with some Irish chicks today. I hope. If not, shit. I'm gonna rob somebody, take their money, go to House Point, and fucking bust it up there. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do, man. Yo, I'm here to tell you motherfuckers something real quick. Don't never trust a girl, just when niggas that's watching right now. Never trust women, you know what I'm saying? They got tattoos all over themselves because they gangster, man. I fuck bitches, they got tattoos. I talk to bitches, they got tattoos in the foot. You know what I'm saying? But yo, you can't trust the whole, you can't trust the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? No tattoo in their face? Shit. You can't trust them. Especially if a bitch got a tattoo of a gun. Shout out to you, Yana. Can't trust that bitch. This is a good man. Don't come out to that bitch. You know what I'm saying? So yo, you can't try to hold the tattoo. Sorry, ladies, watching this right now, you're like, damn, this girl's so gangster. Why you got shit about us? I got tattoos. Sorry, bitch. I can't trust her. Alright? I'll tell you a quick story. Hey, bitch. I took to a day, you know what I'm saying? At the place, you know. The tattoos all over, buddy. 2 pops. What's good looking bitch? Fucking Lil Wayne tattoos and shit. Baby looking bitch. Tattoos and shit. Touch the motherfucker. I'm walking up. I fall asleep. I woke up. All my clothes are gone. That's gone naked. I was on 6 train like this. Look at that bitch. Put on glasses. And then took my girls though. Shit, you took my girls. Yeah, you took my girls, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Fucked up with runs. Cause she had tattoos. But they got tattoos wrong. I mean, I shouldn't stereotype over. They got tattoos. You know? But still, you can't trust them. Trying not to say this, ladies and gentlemen. I was crying. I cried, man. Butt ass naked. I had my socks or girls. That ain't that bitch, man. That's fucked up, man. I did against the girls, man. What's up, girl? What up, bitches? I'm gonna get that bitch back, man. You watching this right now, bitch? I'm gonna get you back. You gonna rob me? I'm Grillz, bitch. All I gotta say, man. Shout out to Mr. White. It's gonna let me, you know, express myself in this show about these bitches with tattoos. Bitches with tattoos all over. Alright, 2 tattoos up there. The sleeve tattoos and all that. Nah, you can't touch them bitches. White, black, Chinese, Puerto Rican, Dominican, Colombian, Tatayo! Man, I'll be back. I'll see you niggas soon. You know what I'm saying? Don't trust hoes with tattoos. Don't trust hoes, period.